Good morning, student. Have a nice day.
Good morning, teacher.
Now today we are going to learn about English grammar. Before starting, I introduce myself. My name is Vaishali Pardeshi, and you all know about our BO and administrative officer. Again, I repeat it. Our administrative officer is Lata Dumbre, nodal bit officer Sharad Kudare, our nodal HM Mary Pushpam Paul, and assistant nodal Manpreet Kaur, and our CNO sir, you all know Ratilal sir. Okay, so our day will start with good thought. So today's good thought of the day is the roots of education are bitter, but fruit is sweet. The roots of education are bitter, but the fruit is sweet. Means what? If we study hard, then we got good marks, right?
Yes, teacher.
When we are studying, that time we are very bored. We don't want to read and write and learn. But if we are learning properly, then we got good fruit, means we got good marks. Understand?
Yes.
Okay. Now we start the lesson. Our topic is prepositions. We are learn today grammar, English grammar, and in that grammar we start preposition. Okay. Now
Okay,
listen.
teacher.
Preposition. In that word there is a meaning. Hidden. There is meaning.
Teacher, can I tell?
Yes.
Teacher, position.
And only position.
What, teacher?
Only position.
Preposition.
Listen, I am explaining you. Listen carefully.
Oh.
Preposition. Pre. Pre means what? Previous. Before.
Yes.
Okay. Means we, from that word we can understand that what is the position of the word. What is the position of the word? Before. That word is come before. Understand? What is called preposition. Have you understood?
Yes,
Any
teacher.
doubt is there?
No.
Okay. Now we are now we see the definition. A preposition is a word that links noun or pronoun to another set of words to show the relation between them in terms or location, direction, or time. See, what is preposition? Preposition, I already told that pre means before. Okay. So that word is come before noun. But there is relation between two words, noun and other term. Noun, pronoun with the other term.
Okay, teacher.
It is called preposition. Now we see what is in the preposition. Preposition begins group of words called prepositional phrase, which ends with noun, noun phrase or pronoun. Now preposition, we see the rule about preposition. First rule is the preposition begins a group of words called prepositional phrase, which ends with noun, noun phrase or pronoun. This means when we see the example, then you better understand. See, look at this. A preposition begins a group of words called prepositional phrase. For example, have you seen the crabs put behind a rock? Here, the word behind is a preposition. Understand? But whole phrase, which is the phrase behind a rock. Understand? Means that ends with the prepositional phrase. It is a group of word, begins with group of word. Listen, this group, which is group? Have you seen the crab's coat? This is a group of words. Understand? And prepositional phrase. What's called a prepositional? Sorry. Wait. Have you seen a crab's foot behind a rock? Means what? The preposition begins with group of words called prepositional phrase. These are the group of words, and here the phrase is behind a rock. Understand? So this is a prepositional phrase. Understand what I tell you? Behind is a preposition.
Yes.
But whole word, behind a rock is a prepositional phrase. Next, second rule, the noun or pronoun. Noun or pronoun that follows the preposition is called object of the preposition. Now we see the example that you can better understand. The noun or pronoun that follows a preposition and preposition is called object of the preposition. Now see here. The children are sleeping in their beds. Beds is a noun. Understand, here children is also noun. And last, there after the in is a here preposition. Okay, after in their beds, these whole two words are object of that sentence. Understand?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Third rule, a preposition is a place before a noun or pronoun. I already told this before, first time. Okay, a preposition is a place before noun or pronoun. See example. No, sorry, I already told you na that. For example, Tajinder is running after his new dog. Here Tajinder, I am giving oral example. Tajinder is running after his new dog. Tajinder is a noun.
Yes.
Here
Yes,
first noun.
teacher.
After that, see, listen carefully. Tajinder is running after his new dog. Here, which is the preposition?
After.
Very good. After के बाद, his new dog is a noun.
Yes.
Dog is a noun, no?
Yes.
So a preposition is placed before noun or pronoun. Understand?
Yes. Yes, teacher.
Third, fourth rule. The preposition by verb as an agent. The preposition with verb and instrument. See, here by and with. Two prepositions are there. The by is used work as an agent and with is used as an instrument. Understand what I tell you? The by,
Yes.
two prepositions are there, by and with. So by is work as an agent and with is work as an instrument. Okay. So for example, the vegetables were cut by mother with a sharp knife. The vegetables were cut by my mother with a sharp knife. Here by and with are preposition, but by is an agent. By my mother, no, that is means agent, and with is a instrument. With a sharp knife.
Instrument.
Understand?
Yes.
Okay. Next rule is a preposition is word that indicates the position or relation of noun or pronoun with another noun or pronoun or verb in the sentence. This is a definition I already told you, but is a different manner. Means what? The preposition what indicates that the relation between noun and pronoun with the other noun with another noun or pronoun or verb in the sentence. Understand? Understand? For example, the children, listen, I am giving the oral example. The children are reading in the library. In the library. See, children here is a noun. Okay? And
Yes.
library is also noun.
Yes.
Okay. So children are reading. In is preposition and the library is a noun. Okay. So the children are reading. If we are remove the in, so what is the there is no relation. The children are reading the library. There is no relation. If we put the in properly, the children are reading in the library. Means children are reading first part and the library second part. These are the relation between link between in. Understand? Now here, see, example. The planets revolve around the sun. Planets revolve around the sun. See, here around is preposition. Understand?
Yes.
Okay. Now the planets revolve. This is first part. And the planets is noun. And sun is also noun. Means see what I already told you. The preposition indicates the position or relation between noun and pronoun with the another noun or pronoun or verb in the sentence. Okay. If we remove the around, अगर हमने around निकाल दिया, so the planets revolve. The sun, there is some sense? No, there is no meaning. If we put around in the sentence, then we got the sense, we got the meaning. Understand?
Yes.
We got the position. Means from that we know the position of planet and sun. Understand?
Yes.
Okay. Now, next rule. Many prepositions are used in different contexts. Okay. Now, next rule is many prepositions are used in a different context. See, in that example, there are two prepositions. Same prepositions are there. On. Okay. But their contents, their meanings are different. I met him on the terrace on time. I met him on the terrace on time. Here same. Preposition on is same. But their meanings and their contents are different. Understand?
Yes.
Understood or not?
Yes.
Next. Next rule is about compound preposition. Compound means what? Two or one or more word. Okay. Some prepositions have a more than one word. Some prepositions have a more than one word. They are called compound preposition. Here, example is given. I hung a mirror in front of the door and the tall rod next to it. See, here more than one word. In front of. There are three words are there. Okay. More than one word. And next to these there are mute yourself, please. Next to. So compound preposition in front of. In front of is a compound preposition and next to is also compound preposition. Understand? Now these are the rules. Now we see the types of preposition. Okay. So there are three main types: place, type, and direction. How many types? Three
You
types.
can take screenshot of it.
Yes. Place, time, and direction. Listen.
Yes.
Repeat after me. There are three types of preposition.
There are three types of preposition.
One, place.
One place,
Second, time.
second time,
And third one is direction.
third one is direction.
Okay. Anyone can read up in the place. There are some words are
Teacher,
given.
can I read, Aditya?
Yes.
In, on,
First, listen what I tell you. First,
Okay.
you say the place.
the place,
Huh.
in, on, behind, at, between, over, above, below, under.
Very good. Now next, time.
Time.
Yes.
The time. At, on, from, by, in, during.
Very good. Next, third one, who will read? Yes.
Direction. Into, towards, over, along, against, to, down, off.
Very good. Now you understand this: in, on, behind, from.
Yes,
all these are the preposition.
Okay, teacher. Three types of preposition.
So these all are means if this sentence are, if you identify that which are the prepositions, so you understand that
Yes.
if words are come in the sentence means these are the preposition. Understand?
Yes, teacher.
Okay. Now one by one we see the preposition of place. How to identify the preposition of place? If we ask the questions by where, then you understand that this is the preposition of place. See, look at there. There is picture is given. Have you seen?
Yes, teacher.
Okay. So if I will ask, where is the Mickey Mouse?
Teacher, the Mickey Mouse is on the box.
Okay. Means where I asked the questions by where, then you got the answer by on. Means on is a preposition. Where is the cat?
Teacher, the cat is in the box. In.
Very good. Very nice. Where is the Mickey Mouse?
The Mickey Mouse is beside the box.
Very good. And next, where is the Mickey Mouse?
The Mickey Mouse in the front of the box.
Very good. Where is the monkey?
The monkey behind the jail.
Where is the doll?
The doll is between two pots.
Very good.
Of flowers.
And what is this? I think
Teacher,
so.
fish.
Fish. Where is the fish?
Under the table. Under the water. Under the table.
Under the table. Under the table. Look at the screen. The fish is under the table.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Now, there is 4 Mickey Mouse is there. Where is the Mickey Mouse? 4
The
Mickey Mouse.
4 Mickey Mouse around
The box. Okay.
Yes.
So you understand the place of preposition of place, understand?
Yes, teacher, we understand.
Very nice. Good.
Yes.
So one more example is the Nikki is standing. Nikki is standing against
prepositions where Nikki is standing. Nikki is standing against a well.
Ball.
Here is a place of preposition. Sorry, preposition of place. If we ask the question, where is Nikki?
Against the wall.
He is standing against a well. Wall.
Wall.
Ball.
Understand?
Yes, teacher, understand.
Now next is a preposition of time.
Yes.
Means here we indicate the time. Time means if we ask the questions by when. See, look at there. I will show you. Have you seen preposition of time? When an event happen. From that we understand that when an event is happen. Now look at there. When the sun is rising.
In the morning.
Okay. In is the preposition, right?
Yes. Yes.
Now, okay. Now what time is, sorry. When is your exam?
On
Sorry, when is your exam time?
March.
Teacher, in afternoon school time.
Okay, now listen. Your answer will be a 3. Suppose your exam time is a 3 o'clock. Okay?
Yes.
So, when means what happen? When an event happen. Okay?
Yes.
From that we understand the when an event happen.
Okay, teacher.
When we wear the sunglass.
In the afternoon.
In summer season, right?
Yes.
Now, when your birthday falls.
On
March.
November.
On 6 March.
Now,
On 6th March. That will be written on 6th March.
but you can tell your birthday date also, okay?
On 15 May.
15?
May.
Teacher, my 26 April.
Very nice.
24 November. 24 November.
24 November. So you understand the preposition of time?
Yes, teacher, I understand.
Okay. Now we see the example, then you can better understand.
Okay, teacher.
Ricky swims on Saturday.
Preposition.
Swims on
When
Saturday.
an event happens.
Now listen, which is in this sentence, which is the preposition?
Teacher, on. Ricky swim on Saturday. मतलब रिक्की सैटरडे को swim करता है.
Yes,
Very
miss.
nice. Means when an event happen, we from that sentence we understand that when when an event is happen. Okay.
Okay, teacher.
Now again one example is that preposition links the word to indicate a time.
By 7:30 a.m.
All students came to school by 7:30 a.m. Now can you tell me that which is a
Bye.
Very good.
Bye.
So from that we understand that
Time.
when an event happen.
Yes.
7:30 a.m.
Yes.
Means a.m. means what? You know?
Teacher,
AM.
morning. AM
Very
मतलब
good.
morning और PM मतलब afternoon.
Very nice. Good night. Now last one is the preposition of direction.
Over.
Okay.
Over is the answer. Over.
Preposition of direction.
Yes.
Means from that we understand. If we read this sentence, we understand that indicate the direction, in which direction that is going on.
Yes, he is going
Now
in
first-
south or
Now see, not only direction means we can say, now see we example, then you can understand. He jumped over the wall.
over the wall.
Over is
That
over means that direction, no?
And
over the wall.
This direction.
Now next, we went to the London last week.
Two.
To
Two is a preposition.
indicate the direction. Right, London side, that is the direction. Understand?
Yes.
John
Yes.
puts me towards the wall.
Ball.
Toward
Towards that side.
positions.
That is also
Toward is
direction.
direction.
Next, fourth example is
Take
don't
into
put
cold
milk into
glass.
old glass.
ओ into मतलब वो glass में मत डालो.
investment in.
Now he rushed off from the bank.
Off is direction.
Off from the bank means from
Off is
bank
the
direction. Here is
Off.
we see the bank direction. Understand?
Teacher.
Okay. Now we see the
Yes.
example one is
Nikki is
throwing a ball at them.
It's throwing
preposition is at. मतलब निक्की
Preposition
उनको बॉल फेंक रही है.
directions.
Very good. Very
At
good.
them मतलब उनके डायरेक्शन में.
At is a preposition, right?
Yes.
At is
Yes.
indicates the direction in which the ball is thrown.
To them.
Direct ball in thrown.
So in which the ball is thrown. Understand?
Yes.
Nicky ball.
What?
Nicky ball. Nicky throwing the ball.
Throwing
At them,
a
मतलब
ball.
उनको निक्की बॉल फेंक दे रही है थ्रो करके.
Okay. Next. You understand? So can you tell
Yes.
me how many types of sentence? Sorry, how many types of preposition?
Three types of.
Three types of preposition, right?
Yes.
So can you tell me which are they?
Teacher, place, direction,
Direction and time.
Time. Which words we ask if we want to identify the place? Word. Place of
direction.
No, listen. What I tell you.
Yes.
What I tell you. If we want to identify the preposition of place, then which word we ask the questions?
Where is this place?
Where. Very good. Where. If we ask the questions by where, then you understand the preposition of place. Understand? Now next
Yes.
question is, if we want to identify the time, preposition of time, then from which word we ask the questions?
What is the time? What is the time?
When an event happen. Listen, not what.
Where?
When an event happen. See, look at the example. Ricky swims on Saturday.
Yes.
Not what.
When?
Not what. When an
Okay,
event
teacher.
happen. Ricky swims on Saturday. So here,
Okay,
when
teacher.
event happen on Saturday.
Okay,
Understand?
teacher. Yes.
Now next question is, if we want to identify the direction, then what? Then which word we ask the question? From which word we ask the questions?
Where is this place?
Where is this place?
No, listen. See, look at there. Direction. Which WH word we've used? Which.
Which?
Have you seen my screen?
Yes, teacher.
Preposition of direction. Direction in which someone or something comes or goes. Understand? When is the sun? Sorry. What I tell you?
From where sun
which-
rise?
Listen. On which date your birthdays fall?
On 15
April.
Means-
24 November. On 15 May.
Okay, nice.
24 November.
Understand?
Yes.
Yes, teacher, I understand.
Okay.
I also understand, Miss.
Okay. Now we will see some exercise. Now you tell me the answer one by one. Huh?
Okay, teacher.
First, who will read?
Teacher, can I read Aditya?
One by one. Listen,
Miss,
listen.
he used the
First,
picture as the fireplace.
Shamika, wait.
listen what I tell you. First, you tell your name.
Miss, I can read.
First, you tell me your name. All of you. One by one.
Teacher, my name is Aditya Gupta.
Aditya. Then next.
Hassan Khan. Hassan Khan.
Khan. I will tell you Khan. Okay. Next. Third one.
Miss Shamika Chiruteja.
Shamika. And fourth one. Only 3 are there.
Teacher, all are mute.
Okay. Now Aditya, you read it.
He hung the picture in the fireplace. On.
Wrong.
Dash, you want to tell first. You have
Dash the fireplace.
fireplace.
Listen, I will tell you. He hung the picture over the fireplace.
Over the place.
Understand? Okay.
Yes.
Now Khan.
Yes, miss.
Second one.
There is a new mall on the street.
On the street.
No. Over the street, yes.
Now, over is already we put, no?
Over is over.
Among.
Yeah.
No.
The
Among the street, how it is sentence, no sense is there. I will tell you. Listen, I will again repeat all this sentence and you give the answer after that, okay? Now I will tell the answer first and then after that you tell.
Okay, teacher.
There is a new mall across the street.
Yes. Across road ke us par.
Now next, third one, Shamika.
We are playing against ST Mary netball team. Against.
Very good. Saint Mary netball team. Now we, very nice. Clap for Shamika. We are playing against Saint Mary netball team. Now fourth one, Aditya.
Okay, teacher. The Jinder is running dash his new dog. About his new dog.
No, this sentence
His new dog.
very good. After that sentence, I was repeat. Even whenever I teach you, na, that time I will give that. I was given the example orally.
Okay, teacher.
Rajinder is running after his new dog. Now next. Khan. Sorry, wait.
Miss, I can read.
Khan.
We enjoyed our picnic. Dash the beach, miss. On the beach.
Very nice. Clap for Khan. Very nice. Next, Shamika. Shamika.
He was sitting dash his sister. Among the sister. His sister.
The among is also there, but he was perfect word is
Beside
Was
he
sitting
was sitting
beside
his
sister.
Very good. Now
Beside.
Aditya.
Teacher, can I read?
Aditya.
Yes, teacher. Okay. We admired the full moon shining.
Round.
Shining above.
Moon shining above.
Understand? Above, na? Shining. Moon is shining above.
Yes.
Okay. Next, Khan.
Yes, miss. Children are reading in the library.
Very nice. That example also I had given.
Yes.
Now, Shamika, ninth one.
The ladies are sitting The ladies are sitting in the table on the table and chatting.
See, look at there. The ladies are sitting on the table. Ladies.
The
How they are
ladies
sitting on the table and they are chatting?
in the table.
No, in the table, how it is?
The ladies are sitting on
Round the table, round.
Round, yes.
Ladies are
Understand?
sitting round the table and chatting.
Okay. Next, Aditya.
Yes, teacher. There is a girl sitting among the sheep.
Very nice. Very good. Now one by one. I will tell you again. I will repeat it. Aditya. First
He
one.
hung the picture over the fireplace.
Okay. Khan. Second one.
There is a new mall across the street.
Shamika.
I got this question written.
Shamika. Third one.
Playing Miss Dev, this will be not showing.
Against. Miss Against.
Okay.
Yes, we are playing.
Yes, Aditya, you repeat it fast.
Okay, teacher. We are playing against Mary's netball team.
Very nice.
The
Then,
children is running after his new dog.
Okay. Khan.
Yes, miss. He was sitting.
No, fifth one.
Fifth one is going on.
Yes. We enjoyed our picnic on the beach.
Very nice. Next,
He
Shamika.
was teacher Shamika is mute.
Okay.
Teacher, I am
Next.
reading Aditya. He
Okay,
was
Aditya.
sitting beside his sister.
Very good.
Children
Fun.
are late.
No,
We
seven.
admired the full moon shining above.
Very
Round.
nice. Next,
Children are reading in the library.
very nice. Next,
The ladies are sitting around the table.
I am unmuted.
who is Shamika?
Shamika.
Okay, Shamika. 10th one.
10th one. There is a girl sitting among the sheep. On the sheep.
Among.
Among Shamika.
Among the sheep. Yes.
Very nice. Good. Thank you, student. Now, note down
Thank you,
homework.
teacher.
Have a nice day.